Next, I want to show you the use of our LUDWIG hook in an application where we want to choke a load. Choking a load is interesting when I cannot use a lifting point to attach the hook directly. In this case, we want to use a sling to attach the load. We take the two ends of the sling and slide it through the two ears on the sides of the LUDWIG hook. Then we bring the ends of the sling into the crane hook. We close the hook, go around the load, and bring the end of the sling into the hook. Then we lift the load, set it down, and release from distance. Using it like this, sling and hook stay on the crane, only the load is released. Thanks for your attention.